Kia ora, I'm Sharon Holt and I'm really happy to be here today talking to you about the importance of the vowels in the pronunciation of Te Reo Māori. So if you've got a lack of confidence in your pronunciation, it's probably because you don't realise how to pronounce the vowels, because the vowels are the most important thing. The pronunciation of the vowels, and also to have a break after each vowel in every word, will help you to pronounce every word correctly. So the pronunciation of the vowels is pretty easy really, because it's a, e, I, o, u. And there's a song about it, a, e, I, o, u. And it's also at the end of a colour song, a, e, I, o, u. These are very short, a, e, I, o, u. And if there's a macron above it, a little line like that, it's a bit longer. A, e, I, o, u. So today we're going to look at the pronunciation of the letter A, which is the sound A. Unless there's a macron, in which case it would be A. So when we put it as a little syllable here with the H in front, which is one of the consonants in Te Reo Māori, it's ha. This one is ka. Then we have ma, na, pa, ra. The R has a roll to it, ra, not the R in English, ra. Ta, wa, nga, fa. And if it was a line over here, this would be fa, which is the word for four in Māori. And with these consonants here, which we'll deal with on a different day, these are the only other sounds, apart from the vowels, that are in Te Reo Māori. There's just these 5 sounds, these 8, and these 2. So it's actually really doable, and I really believe that if you follow these easy lessons, you'll be gaining in confidence really quickly. Ka kite.